Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that can elevate your culinary creations in the kitchen, the BLACK+DECKER Countertop Blender, model BL2010BG. We found this gem online and have included the link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the BLACK+DECKER BL2010BG? This is a versatile countertop blender designed to cater to a wide range of blending needs. With its stylish black finish and sturdy 6-cup glass jar, it not only looks great on your countertop but is also built to withstand the daily demands of meal prep. One of the standout features of this blender is its 10 speed settings, including a pulse option, allowing you to find the perfect consistency for whatever you're blending. Whether you're whipping up a refreshing smoothie, crafting a savory soup, or creating a batch of homemade juice, this blender adapts to your needs. You can seamlessly transition from a gentle blend for soft fruits to a high-speed mix for ice or tougher ingredients. Another feature worth noting is the removable FusionBlade. This 4-point, multi-level stainless steel blade enhances blending efficiency and power, blending at multiple levels to ensure that everything is mixed thoroughly. This means no more chunks in your smoothies or unevenly blended soups. It's designed for performance, making your blending experience smooth and hassle-free. Cleaning up after cooking can often be a chore, but BLACK+DECKER has made things easier with dishwasher-safe parts. Every removable component of this blender is safe to toss in the dishwasher, allowing you to spend less time washing up and more time enjoying your delicious creations. When it comes to power, the BLACK+DECKER BL2010BG packs a punch with 552 watts of peak performance power, and 350 watts for continuous use. This means it can handle tough ingredients with ease, whether you're blending frozen fruits for a smoothie or crushing ice for cocktails. The ample power ensures that you get consistent results every time, which is essential for any aspiring or seasoned home chef. Now, who is this blender suitable for? If you're a busy parent looking to whip up quick meals for your family, a health enthusiast eager to create nutritious smoothies, or someone who enjoys entertaining guests with homemade beverages and soups, this blender is an excellent addition to your kitchen arsenal. Its versatility makes it a great choice for anyone who enjoys cooking or simply wants to make their life a bit easier when it comes to food preparation. In terms of practical use cases, imagine starting your morning with a nutritious smoothie packed with your favorite fruits and veggies. Or, for those chilly evenings, you could blend a hearty butternut squash soup that's smooth and creamy. And let's not forget about frozen drinks for summer parties or festive gatherings. The BLACK+DECKER BL2010BG allows you to create refreshing beverages that will impress your guests. For those who may encounter any issues, the blender also comes with a helpful troubleshooting chart in the user manual. This feature provides quick tips for common problems, ensuring you can enjoy smooth results without frustration. In summary, the BLACK+DECKER Countertop Blender BL2010BG is an excellent choice for anyone looking to enhance their kitchen experience. With its powerful motor, versatile speed settings, easy cleanup, and efficient blending capabilities, it's sure to become a reliable companion for all your blending needs. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.